Hello! Tonight I am going to walk you through how to register for a Watch TV Everywhere account. So if you are new to Dakota Central TV or haven't created an account yet with Watch TV Everywhere, this is for you. Watch TV Everywhere allows you to watch your favorite shows and channels on any internet connected device, including smartphones, computers, tablets, or streaming devices. And how it works is that you'll register for your account, and then once you have that login information, you'll go to each network to find the shows that you want to watch. So for example, if you want to watch Grey's Anatomy on ABC, you would go to abc.go.com, or you'd have to download the ABC app on your mobile device and then use that Watch TV Everywhere login, and then you can access those shows. So you'd use that same login information for every network that you're logging into. So once you have that login, you use it across the board and it's really easy. So signing up is also really quick and easy. So I am going to walk you through that right now. So first of all, you go to WTVE.net, and then you will find Dakota Central in the list of providers. So scroll down to D, click on Dakota Central, and then you'll have the option to choose login or register, and you can pick register there. And then you'll need your account number that's on your statement and the last name that's on your statement. So you'll put that information in, and then you'll put in your user information, create a password, and then you should be set. So even if you are a regular TV watcher, there are times when your show doesn't get recorded because of a special event, or if the Olympics are interrupting regular programming. That's just the first example that came to my mind. But if you missed a show that was recorded, or you wanted to watch it at the time it was airing and you didn't get a chance to, after the show has aired, you can go on to the network and find that show and watch it anytime. And also for any Game of Thrones fans out there, we do have HBO Go on Watch TV Everywhere. So if you need to catch up or binge a season of Game of Thrones, you can access that on hbogo.com. I personally haven't gotten into Game of Thrones yet, but apparently it's the thing to watch because everybody's talking about it, so I might have to start watching that. So there you go, it's pretty easy. If you have any questions about your account, or if you are not able to get registered, just give us a call and we can help you out.